Welcome to today's class, Olusegun Mathematics Clinics. Don't forget once again, as you are watching this video, to click the subscribe button and also the notification button. So anytime I'm releasing video, you're able to notify immediately. So today we want to speak about matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that can be enclosed within bracket. The following example are something can be written like this. It can just be written like this. If we have 2 minus 5, 3, 1. Since it's being enclosed like this, we call it a matrix. It can also be written like this: 1, 3, 5. It's also a matrix. It can be written as this: 7, 0, 4. This is also a matrix. And another example is like this, which common to you that you're able to have seen. You see something like this: 2, 4, 4. So these are just examples of matrix. Moreover, there are some certain terms that are common in matrix, which we do cause which I have said, there are some terms that are common in matrix. We call it rows and columns. Rows and columns. These two terms are common in matrix. For example, you have a matrix of 4, 2, 4, 2, 5. You see this line? We can call this one the first row. We call this one we call this one the first column. The first column. This one, the second column. So this is row 1. Row 1. This is row 2. So these terms, these rows and columns, are the things that are really common in matrix. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2 is a common terms in matrix. After we're able to have noticed all this, let's have other examples of rows. Maybe you have 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1. It is being enclosed. This one is row 1. This one is row 2. This one is row 3. This one is column 1. This one is column 2. This one is column 3. This is how we identify matrix. So now there's another thing that's also common that you need to understand about matrix. It is what we call notation. Notation. In this notation, for example, we have a matrix A. A matrix A we have A row 1, column 1. A row 1 column 2, A row 2 column 1, A row 2 column 2. This is, we can notify because we said A row 1 column 1 means A row 1 column 1. The same thing equivalent to this. A row 1 column 2 is A row 1 column 2. Like this, or that is there is a way you notify the other value. So in commons, let's try to have example that are relating to this for you to get the meaning of this notation. For example, we have first example like this. If A is equal to -2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 4, 1, 7, 2. They now say that I'll find 1, A column 2 row 1, 2, A column row 3 column 2. So I will only find 2. So you find the 3. A 2 3. As I've said earlier, that if you're able to study, that is, I said A row 1 column 1. It means that here it means row column. That we can call this one a general formula for it. General formula. That you are first get the row before the column in the notation. So if you are not to do it, means A row 2 column 1. So what will be in A row 2 column 1 for number 1? A row 2 column 1, which is equal to, so you trace it. Row 2, this is row 1. Row 1, this is row 2. This is row 3. This is column 1. This is column 2. This is column 3. So you now trace it that A row 2, this is row 2, column 1. So it falls around 5. It means 5. So for the second part, he said A row 3, column 2. You trace it here. This is row 3, but column 2. This is 7. So it means 7. So you send this to me in column section. So for me to know that maybe you are practicing this, you are even with me. You help me to find A row 2 column 3. You surely give me in the column section to show that you are with me. So after we are able to notify matrix, now I want to talk about the equalities of matrix. Given A equal to A row 1 column 1, A row 1 column 2, A row 2 column 1, A row 2 column 2, and B as matrix of this. A is equal to B if and only if this value is equal to this value is equal to this. So A row 1 column 1 is equal to B row 1 column 1. Let's have example relating to what I'm just to explain. Let's have example into this. Maybe questions As we're given a value, given that matrix x2 minus 4y is equal to 3, 2 minus 4, 1. Find the value of x and y. As I've said early from this place, I said in the equality of matrix, since A is equal to B, it means S will be equal to 3 because A row 1 is equal to B column 1. B row 1 column 1. So it means X will be equal to this and the Y will be equal to this. So therefore, X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 1. So that is just the meaning of equalities of matrix. So the next things we want to talk about is orders of matrix. If A equal to A row 1 column 1, A row 1 column 2 T, A row 2 column 2. If you're able to study this, you discover that A has row 1, A has row 2. So we have 2 rows. Discover this 1, 2, that is column 1 and 2. These will have 2 columns. So means A is a matrix of 2 by 2 orders. This means this matrix A, which is this, is a matrix of 2 by 2 orders of. We also have an example. For example, maybe A is a value like this. We have 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. What you're able to notice is it has row 1, it has row 2, it has column 1, it has column 2, it has column 3. So in this explanation, you're able to see that it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So if you want to make mentions of the order, you say the order is, the matrix is 2 by 3 orders of matrix. So that is the orders of this matrix. So anytime you are seeing a matrix, it has its own order. We have 2 by 2. So we can give the formula of order to be in this form. Order formula to be matrix A row column. So it will now be row by column order of matrix. So this is how we mention orders of matrix. We have some basics operations in matrix, basics operation. Let's start with addition. Addition and subtractions. Let's have a first example. He said, let's have the first example. You need to explain border so you're able to get the meaning of matrix. Said if A is 2 minus 4, 3, 1, and B equal to 1, 4, minus 2, 3. So the question is A Say find A plus B, B, we have A minus B, C, the C part, you will answer it for me in a comment section. So, to find A, which is A plus B, it's a very simple logic. The only thing you just do is you rewrite A, 2 minus 4, 3, 1, plus 1, 4, minus 2, 3. In whole, to add the matrix, the positions of, since they were in the same order, is very easy to add, because 2 we just add 1, 2 we add with 1, they don't put comma in matrix, minus 4, we add plus 4, you close the array bracket, you add 3 plus minus 2, you add 1 plus 3. So we should now have 3 is 0, 3 plus minus 1, 4. That is how simple it is, how to add in matrix. Let's also have A minus B. He said A minus B. As I've said earlier, you just rewrite the value. That is 2 minus 4, 3, 1. 2 minus 4, 3, 1, minus, write the value of B, 1, 4, minus 2, 3. 1, 4, minus 2, 3. So, to get the value for this, as I've said earlier, just say that 2 minus 1, minus 4, minus 4, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3. Therefore, you have 1 minus 4 to minus will give you minus 8. This will give you plus 5. This will give you minus 2. So that is how to find A minus B. Under the order of 2 by 2 matrix, the same principle applicable to 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and infinity. So you do this for me in comment section, which I've said earlier, the C part, that is B minus A. I'm expecting your answer in comment section, so for me to know that you are with us in this class. These are other examples under the addition and subtractions of matrix. But you discover that this asks two values, A, B, C. I will only solve A, you solve B for me. So, or I will solve B, you solve A for me. Let me solve B. So now, solution, which is, he said, that is B, you solve A for me. A plus B minus C. I've told you the earlier, just add it together. You rearrange, you write it the way it is written. 3 minus 6 plus the B part, 4, 0, 3, 1, minus, so the C is 5 minus 1, 3, 4. So therefore, it's very so simple to do. 1 plus 4 minus 5. Simple. 1 plus 4 minus 5. You give a gap. 8 plus 0 8 plus 0 plus 0 minus 3. This one again, 3 plus 3 minus 1. That is plus 1. 3 plus 3, sorry. 3 plus 3 minus 4. It is minus 4. It is, no. 3 plus 3 minus, good. 3 plus 3 minus 1. That is plus 1. So the second one is minus 6 plus 1 minus 4. So that's how we now get this. So this one plus this is 5, making 0. This one is 5. This one is 6 and 7. This is 7. This is minus 10 plus 1, making minus 9. So there is a value. So I want you to do the A part for me. That's A plus B plus C. I want you to give me the value in the comment section. Don't forget, once again, before you continue in this class, this is simple explanatory class for matrix and other courses like that. Be able to be given to you in this YouTube channel for free. The only thing just to do to encourage these lectures is for you to subscribe and put notification value in all. So anytime I'm releasing video, you're able to see it. Or if it is our Facebook page, the only thing for you to do is just to follow anytime we are releasing video. So we still continue to another operations of this. These are other basics operations of matrix. It's a matrix multiplication. It has some techniques and ways of doing it, and very so simple. I will solve AB, BA. I'll give another one to do as your own practice way. For you to solve AB, it's so very simple. You write it the way you write this. It means 2, 3, 1 minus 4. You put it here again. 5 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Now, the way we used to do it is as you just say AB is equal to C. So let the C be C row 1 column 1, C row 1 column 2, C row 2 column 1, C row 2 column 2. So what you just need to looking for now is C row 1 column 1. And the multiplication formula is you just have that row times column. This is just the formula. So it now depends the row 1 to multiply column 1, row 1 to multiply column 2. So if you just have this a basic knowledge of this formula, you find it easy to get the how to multiply matrix, because you still need it in determinant and in the advanced way of solving problems in matrix. So in a way to find C row 1 column 1 is so very simple. It means that you are going to multiply C row 1, the A row 1 to multiply B column 1, because it's dealing about rows and columns. That's all the formula. So this line, for the first one, we multiply this line. This is all the formula for 1, 1. You discover that this is row 1, this is column 1. So the first one, we multiply the first. You add it to the second one that we multiply. It's so very simple. We just have that 2 times 5. This is elementary way for you to get it clean and clear. 2 times 5 plus bracket open 2 times 5 plus 3 times minus 1, 3 times minus 1, which is equal to 10 minus 3. It will give you 7. Let's do it again for you to get it. 2 times 5 making 10. 3 times minus 1 making minus 3. So you add it together to get, so that is C row 1 column. You are using the row 1 column 1 as formula. See the second one, C row 1 column 2, which is, it means you have to multiply this 1 with this. This is 2. You have to multiply with this. So meaning that 2 will multiply minus 2. 2 times minus 2 plus 3 times 3, that is 3 times 3. You need all this logic. This is minus 4 plus 9 making 5. You have getting this 2. So now you have C row 2 column 1. So this is row 2 now. It's starting again. You have used this one, finish. You want to start with this. This, you multiply this again, making 1 times 5. It must plus minus 4 times this, plus minus 4 times minus 1, which will give you 5 plus 4 gives us 9. So so we have the last but on the list, that is C row 2 column 2. You are using the formula to solve it. So which is the C, that is this row 2 now multiplying column 2. That is 1 times minus 2 plus, this is a minus 4 times 3, which will give you minus 2 plus minus 12. So to give you minus 14. So this is just the logical way to find, and is an elementary way. If you follow these rules, it is very simple to get the matrix multiplication, and some people call it most tedious aspect of it, but it's the most easiest way by just following the rule. So you will now see that AB is equal to C, and our C, which is equal to C11, C12, C21, C22, has been given the value to be, that is the C column 1, which is 75. We have 7, 5. That is 2 column 1 will be 2 column 1 will be 9. That is 9, 14. This is 9 minus 14. So now to prove to you now that, let's write the value of AB again. That is 2314. So this is now AB. So by the time you multiply the two, it gives us this. So because of which you have another way of having topic. So if you are to find BA will now be 5 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Now write A, 2, 3, 1 minus 4. It will still be equal to C, which is C11, C12, C21, C22. So these two, so it means BA is equal to C. So I want you to do this for me and give me the solution in comment section. Give me your comment. Let's be able to know where next to continue the class. So don't forget again, you are enjoying this class at Olusegun Mathematics Clinic. You follow us at Facebook page. You also subscribe to us in our YouTube page. Don't forget us to share it, and also encourage us by subscribing and put your notification in all. So anytime I'm releasing video, you're able to see it. So we continue from the matrix by releasing the next video. Stay tuned. Make sure you watch all my videos for you to get the logical way to solve all these problems. So once again, thanks for being with us in the class. Thanks for watching.